The topic is methods to express concentrations of solutions. So you know that solution means a combination of solvent and solute. Okay. So if one want to express how much solute is dissolved in a solution, in a solvent, they need to consider a method to express the amount of solute dissolved in solvent. The amount of solute dissolved in solvent is considered as concentration. Okay. There are 9 methods to express concentrations of the solutions. Okay. Let us see what they are. Weight percent. Number 1, weight percent. Number 2, weight to volume percent. Number 3, volume percent. Number 4, molarity. Number 5, molarity. Number 6, normality. Number 7, mole fraction. Number 8, ppm, that means parts per million. Number 9, ppb, parts per billion. Okay. So, see here, weight percent can be represented as small w by capital W percent. Okay. That means both are weights we have taken. Volume percent can be represented as small w by volume. Weight to volume percent can be represented as small w by volume. Let us see volume percent. Small v by capital V. Okay. Small v by capital V percent is said to be right. Molarity indicates by capital M. Molarity indicates by small m. Normality indicates by capital N. Okay. Mole fraction is mole fraction. We can't simplify this in proper manner. Okay. Here ppm is, the abbreviation for ppm is parts per million. ppb means parts per billion. Parts per billion. Okay. Now let us see how much of these concentration terms has units. Here let us see weight percent. Okay. So weight percent means weight by weight. So both units get cancelled. So it does not have units. No units. Okay. Weight per volume percent. The both units that means in numerator and denominator are different. So units for this is gram per liter or gram per milliliter. Gram per milliliter. Okay. Let us see again volume percent. Both are same. Okay. Then no units. Let us see molarity. units for molarity is moles per liter. Molarity, let us see, molarity, units for molarity is moles per kg. Moles per kg. Let us see for normality. Normality units are equivalents per liter. Equivalents per liter. Okay. ppm, ppb. No units for these two. No units. Okay. Why these have no units means ppm means W by capital W into 10 power 6. Okay. Here there is no units. ppb can be represented as small w by capital W into 10 power 9. Okay. In all cases, numerator represents amount of solute. Amount of solute. This is very important. In all cases, in all 9 cases, the numerator అంటే ఫ్రాక్షన్ కి అప్పర్ పార్ట్ లో ఉండేదాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్ అంటారు. మీకు బాగా తెలిసి విషయము. సో న్యూమరేటర్ అనేది దేన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే.